Hello, boys. This is the Mack truck of Rocket League. Let's play some comp. So, I will be playing a couple games with the Roadhog XL. I need to change this engine, bro. That's like... It almost sounds thicker than the body itself. Listen to this. Oh. I'm gonna just do Dominus because the Dominus engine sounds always good. We have found a match. Welcome to the Mack truck of Rocket League. Oh, and my teammate's not joining. First game. That was pretty good. On to the next. Okay, I just lowered my Rocket League volume so you can actually hear me talking. Mack truck. This actually looks like it would be used in a semi. Oh, I thought I kind of read the defender there, not the ball. Nice save, teammate. Oh, my teammate's insane. Just center that. Well, that was like a kind of waffle. I'll call that the waffle. Because it's not a true pancake. And it's kind of like a whiff. And whiff and waffle have the same first letter. Thank you, teammate! That was such a good bump. This Mack truck will go to the gas station, refill on boost. Oh! I almost got faked. But the Mack truck is so thick. We do this. Put it for my teammate there. And oh, almost tried that. Darn it. It's a close one. My teammate has that again, but Fever got there earlier. Oh, the guy missed. Ooh. Ooh. I almost had a goal there. Oh, that's my bad teammate. He's not going. Put that into the corner. Put that mid on. Fever's there. Gotta get up. He missed. Everything's fine. Bro, it's like the solar eclipse kid, he bumped me a little in the air. If he was bumping another octane, it would have gone way further, like in the air. But he was bumping a semi truck. So like I didn't go like anywhere. And I suck. That almost went in though. He took my boost. Going to the gas station. I missed the gas station. Why'd I side flip? Okay, he can't get there. Is he gonna be fancy? Nobody is fancier than the semi-truck. Oh! What a save. Oh. Double tap with the Mack truck. I missed, but my teammate didn't. Let's go. Nice shot. I didn't really pass it, but I'll say thanks anyway, because I kind of did. You know, I set him up. Rocket League didn't count it as an assist. So that's why I was like, it wasn't really a pass. But okay. Yo, that kid went flying. That's funny. He beat out Uber. The middle. Let's go. They were all like rotating back there. Because the one guy whiffed in front of my teammate. Yo! Toxicity in the chat. Oh. Somehow that happened. Can't let him score because he's being toxic. I'll say thanks. And kill that. GG. Division up. Champ 2. On to the next game. Next game. We have our same teammate, but he's on the other team. No. No. The same team. Oh. AFK kid. It's fine. We're gonna. Bro, we're so thick. We stretched out to the middle. And that's why the kid didn't make the kickoff goal. It's like we have a magical force field. And I have no boost. We gotta go to the gas station soon. That guy missed, but oh, what a save. That's middle. Let's go! Wait, didn't that guy pinch that? How fast? It looked like me and the opponent pinched that a little. We did pinch it somehow. That was so weird. I think it was way faster than the 84. Definitely. Is that a kickoff goal? No. Kind of pressure him there. That flick almost worked, but he kind of jumped. Flip reset with the Mack truck! No way! How did that not work? That was so close. Okay, he faked the Mack truck. Boomer of a shot with the Mack truck. Past the middle with the Mack truck. Being not bumped with the Mack truck. Oh, nice. Same opponent, teammate from last game, from the other team. That's good shadow defense for that guy. Awful aerial ability by me. We are not. I was gonna say we're not getting flipped on, but he just went to the side. Darn it. I feel like I could have had that, but how is the Mack truck faster than an Octane? Aren't semi-trucks slow? I feel like since they have to have like a bigger engine and stuff, they could go faster, but usually they're slower. Okay, that's a good spot. Wait to see what he does. There we go. Teammate, where are you? Oh. Gonna get boost. He's not, he's gonna pass middle. That was a great shot. Bottom corner. There was no way I could have gotten that. Somehow I backed up. How? Mack truck won't get flipped again. Is that in? Let's go. Good job by my teammate. Playing it to the back wall. I feel like the opponent would have like hit it super hard off the back wall, so like I couldn't get it. Okay, he flipped me. That was an awful one. But it didn't really cause any like problems. Nice push, teammate. You see my teammate, he's acknowledging that the opponent is really flicking a lot. So he's really challenging. He's leaving that for me. Kind of just mess up the teammate. I mean the opponent there. My teammate. I gave him a little pass. And then I just messed up the opponent. My boost. He's not getting it. There, game 2, let's go. Mack truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.